Guys, hey guys, there it's working. Hey guys, Wesley Graves Designs. Want to do a little informative video. So we're on a dimensional cedar cover. Now, what does dimensional mean? Dimensional means like an 8x8 post or a 4x10 or 4x12 main beam. And one of the things that happens, and almost every homeowner goes, "Oh my God," is there's something called checking. Now, checking is this. So see this 8x8 cedar post is starting to check. And it's going all the way down to the bottom. And it'll go all the way up. Now what's going to happen as this thing dries, it's going to get much wider. Does that mean that the post is inferior? It does not. The post is still structurally sound. But it's drying out. You can see that. And this has a lot of rub with people. Look how it's checking all the way down. When we first bought this post, it wasn't doing that. But it will. The post is actually fine. It's just simply drying out. Does not mean that it's an inferior product. And there is not any dimensional cedar that does not do that. Believe it or not. So I urge you, when you're out and about and you're looking at other structures, check that out. No pun intended. All dimensional cedar checks.